Many people think buying the cheapest fishing boat is the smartest financial decision. In reality, the brand you choose often has a much bigger impact on your long-term costs than the price you pay today. Some fishing boat brands consistently lose far less value over time because buyers trust their build quality, reliability, and reputation. Today, we're revealing the 5 brands that continue commanding impressive resale prices year after year. The number 1 brand has built such an incredible reputation that well-maintained used models often sell surprisingly fast even after many years of ownership. Let's get into it. Number 5. Sea Hunt has built its reputation the patient way by consistently delivering more boat than the price tag suggests rather than chasing headlines with flashy marketing. The company grew by listening closely to everyday anglers rather than chasing the extremes of speed or luxury that dominate other corners of the industry. Their hull designs use a deep V construction suited for rough water handling, and build quality has steadily improved over the years to the point where these boats now compete favorably against brands that charge significantly more. Owner satisfaction tends to run high, particularly among buyers who feel like they got genuine value rather than paying for a name. Reliability has grown stronger as more of these boats have aged into their second and third decades on the water, and maintenance expectations remain reasonable, which is a major reason owners tend to hold onto them for so long. Ride quality is smooth and confidence-inspiring for the price category, and fishing performance holds up well for the vast majority of recreational trips most anglers actually take. The honest weakness here is that the brand doesn't carry the same instant recognition as some of the more established offshore names, which occasionally means used listings take a bit longer to sell simply because fewer buyers are actively searching for the name. Experienced marine surveyors often pay close attention to hull integrity before cosmetic appearance, and that's especially true here since the boats tend to look modest even when mechanically excellent. When buying used, ask about winterization history if the boat spent time in colder climates, and always have a compression test done before finalizing anything. This brand suits buyers who want strong, long-term value without paying a premium for a logo, including first-time buyers and anyone moving up from a smaller boat. Imagine finding 2 10-year-old boats listed at similar prices, one from this brand with complete maintenance records, and one from an unfamiliar import builder with no history at all. Experienced buyers almost always choose the one with the paper trail, regardless of the name on the side. Our next brand has quietly become one of the most respected names among serious offshore anglers, yet many first-time buyers still overlook it. Number 4. Parker has earned its reputation the old-fashioned way by simply refusing to let its boats fall apart, and that consistency has translated directly into strong resale numbers over the decades. This manufacturer has built center consoles for decades with an engineering philosophy that leans toward function over flash. Rather than redesigning their lineup every few years chasing trends, they've stayed remarkably consistent, refining instead of reinventing. Hull construction typically uses solid fiberglass layups below the waterline, which adds strength and dramatically reduces the coring issues that can quietly weaken a boat's structure over time. Owner satisfaction is notably strong among buyers who value predictability. Reliability reputation is where this brand really separates itself, and it's common to hear about boats still running on their original engines after 15 or 20 years. Ride quality is firm but predictable, which matters enormously to anglers who fish rough water day after day and want a boat that behaves the same way every single time. Long-time boat owners know that documented maintenance history is often more valuable than low engine hours, and that's especially true with this brand, since a well-cared-for older hull can outperform a neglected newer one in almost every meaningful way. The honest trade-off is that ride comfort leans firm rather than plush, which some buyers accustomed to softer riding boats need time to adjust to. When purchasing a used model from this manufacturer, focus less on how shiny the boat looks and more on compression testing the engine and checking the transom for softness. This brand is ideal for serious inshore and nearshore anglers who want a boat that can handle rough conditions without constant babying. And it's easy to understand why owners who buy one tend to keep it for decades rather than trade it in. If you're finding this guide helpful, Take a second to like the video, subscribe to Harbor Hook Boats, and turn on notifications so you never miss future reviews and buying guides that could save you thousands on your next fishing boat. Number 3. Contender has carved out a devoted following among serious offshore anglers, and that focused reputation has translated into resale numbers that consistently outperform more general-purpose offshore builders. This manufacturer got its start building exclusively for serious offshore fishermen, and that singular focus shows up in every part of the design, from a sharp, dead-rise hull engineered to cut through rough offshore chop at speed, to construction methods that prioritize strength under sustained hard use. Build quality tends to be exceptional, using vacuum-infused construction that creates a stronger, more consistent layup than older hand-laid techniques. Owner satisfaction among the tournament and serious offshore crowd is extremely high, and reliability reputation holds up well even after a decade of hard offshore abuse. Ride quality in rough conditions is frequently described as class-leading, with the boat maintaining control at speeds that would feel unsafe in a less capable hull. Fishing performance is purpose-built for tournament-level use, and that specialization is exactly why serious buyers seek this brand out specifically, rather than settling for a generalist alternative. The honest weakness is that maintenance and fuel costs run higher than average, since these boats are typically paired with larger, more powerful engines built for speed. Dealer support and parts availability are solid, though, as with any performance-oriented brand, specialized components can occasionally take longer to source than for more mainstream builders. A respected brand doesn't eliminate the need for a careful inspection, and that's true here too. When shopping used, pay close attention to hours on the engines relative to the boat's age, since a boat run hard offshore for a decade shows very different wear patterns than one used occasionally for calmer trips. This brand is best suited for serious offshore anglers, particularly tournament fishermen, who value speed and rough water capability as much as raw durability, and resale demand among that specific buyer pool remains consistently strong. Number 2, Grady White occupies a rare position in the industry, a brand that's managed to combine genuine offshore capability with a level of comfort and finish that keeps buyers coming back generation after generation. This builder has been refining its construction methods since the mid-1950s, making it one of the longer-running names in the industry. That decades-long track record shows up in remarkably consistent build quality across model years, with a solid fiberglass hull paired with a deck and interior finish that tends to feel noticeably more upscale than many offshore competitors. Owner satisfaction is exceptionally strong, and it's not unusual to hear from families who've owned the same boat for well over a decade without any serious desire to upgrade. Reliability reputation is outstanding, with many owners reporting decades of service backed by nothing more than routine maintenance. Resale value is consistently among the best in the industry, and that reputation alone keeps used listings moving briskly whenever a well-maintained example comes up for sale. Ride quality strikes a rare balance, comfortable in moderate conditions while still handling rough water with genuine confidence, which explains why this brand appeals to both serious anglers and families looking for a boat they can enjoy together. The honest trade-off is that maintenance costs run moderate to high, in line with the caliber of components used throughout the boat. Dealer support and customer loyalty are notably strong, and that combination is part of why resale demand rarely softens even during slower years for the broader boating market. Experienced marine surveyors often pay close attention to hull integrity before cosmetic appearance, and with this brand, that advice still applies. When shopping used, have a surveyor check the transom and stringers carefully, since even well-built boats used heavily offshore for many years benefit from a thorough structural inspection before purchase. This brand is ideal for buyers who want serious offshore capability without sacrificing comfort, including anglers who also use the boat for family outings rather than exclusively hardcore fishing trips. The number 1 brand has developed such a loyal following that owners often keep their boats for decades, and when they finally decide to sell, demand usually remains remarkably strong. Number 1. Boston Whaler sits at the top of this list, and few brands in the boating industry have built a reputation this consistent, this widely respected, or this closely tied to genuine long-term value. The brand's history goes back to the early 1960s, when the company demonstrated its unsinkable foam-filled hull construction by literally cutting a boat in half and running both pieces separately to prove they would still float and perform. That demonstration wasn't a marketing stunt that faded over time. It became the foundation of an engineering philosophy that's remained central to the brand for over 60 years, and it's a big part of why these boats develop such intense, lasting owner loyalty. Build quality is frequently cited as best in class by surveyors and used boat inspectors alike, and it's genuinely common to find these boats still in active service after 30, even 40 years, sometimes still owned by the same family that bought them new. Owner satisfaction is remarkably high and remarkably consistent across generations of buyers, which is unusual in an industry where trends and expectations shift constantly. Ride quality feels exceptionally solid and quiet underway, a direct result of a hull that doesn't flex the way lighter, less rigid designs do over years of pounding through waves. Long-term reliability is where this brand truly separates itself from nearly everything else on the market. It's common to hear about original engines lasting far longer than expected, and even when engines are eventually replaced, it's usually because an owner wanted more power rather than because anything failed. Fishing performance remains strong and versatile across a wide range of conditions, from calm bays to genuinely rough offshore water, which explains why the brand appeals to such a broad range of anglers. Brand loyalty here is arguably the strongest in the entire recreational boating industry. Owners frequently describe a sense of trust in the boat that's difficult to put into words, built from decades of proof rather than marketing. Availability on the used market stays healthy because so many boats were produced over the decades, yet demand remains just as strong, which keeps resale prices remarkably stable even on boats well over 20 years old. Dealer support and parts availability are considered among the best in the industry, which matters enormously for long-term ownership costs, since sourcing parts for an aging boat can otherwise become a frustrating and expensive process. Maintenance expectations run slightly higher than some other brands on this list, partly because parts and service often carry a premium tied to the brand name. Buyers willingly pay that premium for good reason. The peace of mind that comes from owning one of the most tested hull designs in recreational boating history is difficult to put a price on, and resale data consistently shows that buyers are willing to pay more for that assurance years down the road. Before buying one used, ask whether the hull has ever been checked for water intrusion. Foam-filled hulls resist catastrophic failure in a way many others simply can't, but they can still absorb water through a puncture or a poorly sealed through hull fitting, and a qualified surveyor can usually detect this with sound testing or a moisture meter in a matter of minutes. This brand is the right choice for buyers who prioritize peace of mind and long-term durability above almost everything else, including families who want a boat they can keep for decades, and serious anglers who want complete confidence in their platform regardless of conditions. That's exactly why this brand earns the top position on this list. It isn't always the cheapest option available, and it never claims to be. What it offers instead is something far more valuable over the long run. A genuinely proven track record, spanning more than 60 years, exceptional resale demand, and the kind of reliability that lets owners simply enjoy their time on the water, instead of worrying about depreciation or unexpected repairs. So what's the biggest lesson from all 5 of these brands? The smartest fishing boat purchase isn't always the least expensive one sitting on the lot today. Choosing a respected brand often means lower depreciation, higher resale value, better owner support, easier long-term maintenance, and greater confidence every time you head out on the water. That said, condition, maintenance history, and a professional marine survey remain more important than the logo on the side of the boat, regardless of how strong that brand's reputation is. Even the most trusted name can be a poor investment if it was neglected, and a lesser-known brand with a complete maintenance history can outperform a famous name that was never properly cared for. If you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Harbor Hook Boats, and turn on notifications so you never miss future fishing boat reviews and buying guides. Which fishing boat brand do you think holds its value the best? Share your experiences in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next Harbor Hook Boats adventure.